as a head of security.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on the terrorists.
What is your ID?
ID.
UNIC.
UNID, it's on the table then.
Please don't take it to the
There's
back.
learning table.
Thank you.
You'll get it in a second. You know how many times they raised flags against Russia when Ukraine was here? תביאו לי את הטאג שלי.
Shame on the terrorists. Shame on